Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to unblock calls in your Android phone. So at first, if I open my phone app and then dial any number, so at first if I block this number, then tap on block and then tap on block again, and you can see it's blocked now. And you can unblock this number from your call log. Just tap on this number, then tap on profile icon, then tap on unblock, and you can see it's unblocked successfully. Now if I block this number again and then delete the number. Now if you want to find your block list, just tap on three dots, then go to settings option. From here just tap on block numbers, and that's it. You can unblock your all number or contacts and calls from here. You have to just tap on this minus icon and it's unblocked successfully. And that is how you can unblock calls in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.